Hello friends, most welcome to English Advantage online classes. Friends, in this video I will explain to you the most important sentence arrangement, or you can say parajumble, for your next forthcoming exam like IBPS Bank PO mains and definitely IBPS Clerk. So in this video tutorial I will tell you some important tricks in order to solve any kind of parajumble, whether it is tough or whether it is easy. So these basic tricks or these basic guidelines applicable to any kind of parajumble, whether it is banking parajumble or Ssccgl parajumble. So these are the guidelines, or you can say golden tricks to solve any parajumble, and you must apply these tricks if you want to successfully crack any kind of parajumble. The first one is first noun will come. Now before I proceed further, let me tell you what is parajumble. Parajumble is a paragraph, and all the sentences are mixed up, or you can say jumbled up, and you have to unjumble it, and you have to put all the sentences in a proper order that they should be in a paragraph. Okay, so this is how the parajumble is. So in the parajumble, the first guideline is first noun will come and then a pronoun to replace it. Okay, but at times it happens that there may be two sentences having the nouns, so it become very confusing for you that which sentence to take. Okay, so this I will explain to you in the next example. So but this is the basic guideline. You must remember that first noun will come and then a pronoun to replace it. First noun means Ram, Shyam, Delhi, any country name, any name will come, and then a pronoun like he, she, they, we, you, it will come. Okay, so this is the first guideline. Now let us move on to the second guideline. This is the second guideline. First full form will come and then a short form. For example, first Supreme Court will come, then SC will come to replace it, or so that you can know that SC is being used for Supreme Court and not for scheduled caste. Okay, first income tax will come, or information technology will come, and then a pronoun will come, and then acronym will come like IT, so that you can know that IT has been used for income tax or information technology. So this is also a very important guideline. And the third one is figure out the opening sentence. Okay, figuring out the opening sentence or first sentence, or you can say title sentence, is very important. If you can manage this, your 50% of your job is done. Okay, so this is definitely most important. And in order to figure out the title sentence is normally a independent sentence. Okay, it's normally a independent sentence, and it talk about a particular topic normally, but sometime exception may be there. Okay, the sentence normally cannot start with these words, like for example, for instance, although, yet, because, thus, hence. So any parajumble normally cannot start with these connectors, but sometime it may start with as and when, because there may be an exception to it. Okay, so this is also an important point to remember. And the fourth most important point is mandatory pairs. Now what is mandatory pair? Mandatory pairs are closely related pair, either by a grammatical concept or by any word. Okay, so suppose there are two sentences A and B, and then they are mandatory pair. It means they are connected either by the grammatical concept or by some word, or the second sentence may be the extension of the previous sentence. So that is how I will explain mandatory pair. Mandatory pair simply means a logically related pairs. So this is a very important skill you must develop in yourself, how to figure out the mandatory pair in any parajumble. Okay, and the second and the last one is apply common sense approach and try to correlate the sentences logically. You can apply common sense approach. For example, the paragraph is regarding the categories. So first main category will come, then subcategory, and then further. This is how you can apply common sense approach. Okay, so these are the 5 golden tricks to solve any kind of parajumble, and if you apply these tricks, you will be successful in solving any kind of parajumble. Now let us move to the example. This example I have taken from for IBPS PO mains exam. This is very important, and then and this kind of parajumble only will come in your IBPS PO main exam. But this will be highly useful for the IBPS clerk also and Ssccgl exam also, because concepts and basics and guidelines are the same, whether it is banking parajumble or any kind of parajumble. So this is the parajumble. Normally in parajumble 6 sentences are given. So here are 6 sentences, as you can see, A, B, C, D, E, F. But sometime there may be 5 sentences, or sometime there may be even 7 sentences. For example, in SBI Bank PO exam. But normally there are 6 sentences in any parajumble. So this is the parajumble, and how will you solve it? First you have to figure out the first sentence. Okay. Now this cannot be the first sentence, C, because it is starting with but. Okay, and this sentence this paragraph cannot start with E also, because it is starting with except. And F, this cannot be a first sentence, because normally the sentence cannot start with pronoun. So here is the pronoun. Okay. Now you have to figure out first sentence that this pronoun sentence can be replaced. Okay. Now first you have to find out the noun in which first you have to find out the noun in any sentence in which noun is having. For example, just see this sentence: Donald Trump, Nigel Farage and Norbert Hofer. Okay, in this sentence there are 3 nouns, so these 3 nouns can be replaced with this pronoun. But let me go through this sentence also. When Brexit happened, okay, you must have heard this word Brexit, when the Britain left this United European or European Union. Okay, that is called Brexit. So when Brexit happened, elites around the world bemoaned a sense of nationalism which seemed to grip the world richest country of the world. So as you can notice, in this sentence also there is noun, that is elites, and in this sentence also there are nouns in the form of names like Donald Trump, Nigel Farage and Norbert Hofer. Okay. Now the confusing point is, out of these 2 sentences, which one to take that can be replaced with this sentence that is having pronoun. So this is the most confusing thing. The student will find it most confusing which one to take, because F can become the mandatory pair with either A or B, because both are having nouns. Now which one to take? Okay. Now the best way to solve this kind of confusion is to apply another logic. Okay. Now on the basis of grammar, both these sentences can be logically combined with F. Now see the another logic on which one of the sentence can be combined. Now just see the word here, bemoaned. Okay, bemoaned means to be anxious about something, and this word also the same, feared. Okay, so both these sentences are having the same kind of word or same kind of relation. So that is why if you were to choose one sentence out of A and B, you must choose this B, because this B is more appropriate to be connected with F, because it is connected not only grammatically but also with the word related connection. So that is why this sentence, although it is starting with when, but this sentence can be your first sentence. So let me write here, this B will be your first sentence, and then F. Okay, so this is the mandatory pair, B and F. Now let us move ahead. In the F, we are talking about the fear that globalism was losing its appeal to inward looking leaders. Now what is inward looking leaders? Inward looking leaders are the nationalist leader who are more concerned about their own country, okay, rather than talking about the globalism. So that is why this sentence is saying that they fear that globalism was losing its appeal to inward looking leaders. Now after this, any sentence can come that is talking about nationalism or related thing. Okay, they feared that the globalism was losing its appeal to inward looking leaders. Now after this, you can put this sentence A. Why? Because this sentence is talking about the country first approach, and country first approach is similar to being nationalistic. So that is why you can say B, F, A will make the logically connected pair. First B, when Brexit happened, elites around the world bemoaned a sense of nationalism which seems to grip the world richest countries of the world. Then you can say they feared that globalism was losing its appeal to inward looking leaders, and that is why this sentence seems to be the extension of the previous sentence, because here they are saying that these people each touted a country first approach to remarkable success in political campaign in the USA. Since they were talking about, or they were enforcing this country first approach, they were hugely successful. So it means that globalism was losing its appeal. So this sentence is kind of substantial, proving that the previous sentence is correct. So here you can write BFA will be the logically related pair. Now let us see the next one. Now in this sentence, just see in this sentence C. But a look under the hood reveals that the nationalism. Now in this sentence also we are talking about the nationalism. In the A we are also talking about the nationalism, that is country first approach. And in this sentence also nationalism word is coming. So this can make the mandatory pair with A. What a look under the hood reveals that the nationalism is simply a basic human reaction to the threat of competition. Now just see here. Here we are talking about the contrast, and contrast is implied by this word but. Okay. Now I can justify this thing. Another example. Just see in this sentence you are talking about the remarkable success, and here you are talking about the threat. So that is how you can prove this contrast. So this C can become your next sentence. C. Okay. Now after this C, which sentence will come? After this sentence, in the previous sentence we are talking about the threat. Okay. And in this sentence E also we are talking about threat. So this sentence will become the next sentence. D will become your next sentence. Okay. And sorry, E. This is E, not D. And D is left out, so D can become your final sentence. So that is how you can solve BFACED. That is how you can solve any kind of parajumble, whether it is tough or whether it is easy. You just have to apply these golden tricks and you will be successful. So on the basis of this magic formula, BFACED, you can solve these questions. Which of the following should be the fourth sentence after rearrangement? Let me see. C is the fourth sentence. So C will be your answer. I mean your answer will be 5. Okay. Second sentence is F. So 5 will be your answer. Third sentence is A. So first will be your answer. Which of the following should be the first sentence? First sentence is B. So B, second will be your answer. Which of the following should be the fifth sentence? Let me see which is the fifth sentence. BFACE. E will be your answer. So 5 will be your answer. So that is how you solve any kind of parajumble. These are my URL. These are my links. On the basis of these links you can join me. You can join me on Facebook. You can find all these links on the English Advantage channel main page. On the right hand side, below right hand side, you can find all these links, and through those links or icons you can join me on Facebook. You can join English Advantage group on Facebook, very important and very popular nowadays among the students. Please join this group, that is on Facebook, English Advantage group. You can like my English Advantage education page because I put all my notifications over there. So please like my English Advantage education page. Share my YouTube channel URL. This is my YouTube channel URL. You can follow me on Twitter. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. This is my WhatsApp number and this is my email ID. Through these links you can definitely join me and connect me. You are most welcome. So how did you find this video tutorial? And if you have found this video tutorial useful for your success, for your exam, please like it, please share it, and do send me your valuable comments. And if you are the first timer on this channel and haven't yet subscribed this channel, kindly do subscribe, kindly join us. And if you join us by subscribing, this channel is going to be highly useful for you, because I put all the exam oriented stuff on this channel. So please do subscribe. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you.